about introduction of all the syllabus, second PUC and everything. Today we are going to discuss this chapter name matrices. Already we started, again we will recap about all the chapter. Today we start, that is matrices. In these matrices, first we have to discuss about what is meant by matrix. What is the definition of the matrix? First we need to discuss what is the definition of the matrix. So the definition of the matrix is, for definition of the matrices, what is the meaning of the matrices means a matrix has the set of all the array of elements arrangement. What is the set of array of elements? Means the elements what are already we know that in the chapter name of sets in first year we discussed elements. Elements means it may be numbers or it may be that is alphabets or functions, whatever meant that all that numbers or elements we are arranging either row wise or column wise, that is called it as array of elements. That is, for example, we know that we will take some elements. That elements are called it as 1, 2, 3, 4. These elements I arrange as row wise or column wise. See, this is a representation of the matrix. In this matrix representation, this is called as first row, row 1. This is called as second row, row 2. Then similarly, this is called as first column, C1. This is called as second column, C2. All these elements are arranging either row wise or column wise. This representation is called as matrix. This generally matrix are denoted by any capital letters. Capital A, capital B, capital X, capital Y. Whatever this is called it as representation of the matrix. Here, this all are called it as elements. This is called it as elements. This is representation of the matrix. Here, this all the elements are sometimes called it as entries. This elements, how many in this representation? Number of rows. How many rows are there? 2 rows. How many columns are there? 2 columns. This is a representation of the matrix. We will take some more example of this representation. I'll write some more example for this one. Matrix B. Matrix B. Any numbers or any variables we can take, no problem with that. That is 25, 36, 79, 15, 4, 0. Anyone we can take it. In this example of the matrices, number of rows. First row, second row. This is 2 rows. Number of columns. First column, second column, third column. 3 columns. This is also one of the example of the matrices. Suppose we can take one more matrix, capital X, 7, 4, 3. In this example of the matrices, total number of rows. First row, second row, third row. 3 rows. Total number of columns, only 1 column. This is also example of the matrix. Suppose I take one more example of the matrices. 4, 7, 3. See here. In this example of the matrices, only 1 row, 3 columns. Column 1, column 2, column 3. These are the representation of the matrix. In this representation of the matrix, next we have to discuss about order of the matrix. Very important. Order of the matrix. Order. order of the matrix. What is meant by order of the matrix? Order of the matrix means what? Order of the matrix means number of rows. For any matrix, number of rows. This symbolical representation by, not into, number of rows by number of columns. Number of columns. Always for order of the matrix, number of rows represented as a first, number of rows represented as a second one. This is, read it as by, this is very very important. Number of rows by number of columns. For order of the matrix representation, see here one thing, simple one. For the first matrix here on the board, some examples of the matrices are there. In this matrices example, for example of the matrix B, number of rows, row 1, row 2, 2 rows by number of columns, column 1, column 2, column 3. So 3 columns. So the matrix B order is 2 by 3 matrix. For example, matrix X order. What is the order of matrix X? Row 1, row 2, row 3. 3 rows. How many columns are there? Only column 1. So 3 by 1 matrix is the order of matrix X. What is the order of matrix Y? That is matrix Y has single row. 1 row. How many columns are there? First column, second column, third column. So 1 by 3 is the order of third example of the matrix. This is a representation of order of the matrix concept. So general construction of the matrix concept. First general representation of the matrix first we discuss. Okay, now up to here we are covering definition of the matrix, order of the matrix. Next one, see here, construction of the matrix. Capital A is a matrix that is represented as Aij. Aij. This is a general representation of the matrix. In this general representation of the matrix, I represented as row position, J represented as column position. For example, I write down matrix A can be written as, I am writing as some elements, that is A. This A represented as first row, first column. So I place we can write down as a 1, J place also we can write down as a 1. Why? Because I represented as row position, J represented as column position. So this is the first row, this is the first column. Coming to the second element A, this is also same first row only. This is called it as a first row. So I place we are represented as a 1. This is called it as column position. Column. So we can write down as a first column, second column. I A 1 2. Similarly, A. This element represented as
block mark.
Where is that? Okay, I'll use it black few minutes. So this is first row, first column element. This is
Please wait.
Okay, I will use black column. This is first row, first column element. This is first row, second column element. This is first row, third column element. Similarly, we can write down this element is known as first row, nth column element. Similarly, coming to the second row, this is fully known as first row. This is called it as second row. This is called it as second row. So A. This is called it as second row. But which column? This one, first column. A1. This is called it as A. Second row, second column. This is called it as A. Second row. Which column? Third column. Similarly, A. Second row, nth column. Similarly, A. Third row. Here, row 1, row 2, row 3. Third row, first column. A. Third row, second column. A. Third row, third column. Similarly, A. Third row, nth column. Up to we can write down so many. A. First row, second row, third row. We will continue up to that. A. Nth row, first column. Continuously, A. Nth row, second column. Continuously, A. Nth row, third column. Similarly, last element is A. Nth row, nth column. So this is a general representation of the matrix. This is a general representation of matrix of order m by n. M by n is number of rows are m, number of columns are n. This is called a general representation. This is very useful for construction of the matrix concept. This element represented as first row, first column element. This element represented as first row, second column element. This element represented as first row, third column element. Similarly, first row, nth column element. Like that we have to write down. This is a general representation of the matrix of order m by n. This is very, very important. Where we are using this concept, that we are going to the concept of general representation of the, that is construction of the matrix, very, very important for 1 mark. We will discuss this one. Okay, now. Yes. Next. Topic, number of elements in the given matrix. How many number of elements are available in the given matrix? That is number of elements. Number of elements in the given matrix. Number of elements in the given matrix. So number of elements in the given matrix concept, very simple information. Suppose I take it as some example of the matrix. Matrix A. 1, 2, 3, 7, 4, 6. This is one example of the matrix. I take it one more example of the matrix. Matrix B. 4, 0, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, 2, 1, 11, 4, 0. These are the two examples. In this first example of the matrix A, total number of rows. First row, second column. So 2 rows. first row, second column, sorry, first column, second column, third column, 3 columns. So this matrix order is 2 by 3, that is 2 rows, 3 columns. Similarly, second example of the matrix order, first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. The order of this matrix is 3 by 4. See, in this example of the first matrix, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of elements are 6. Here, total number of elements. Total number of elements is equals to 6. For the second example of the matrix, total number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total number of elements. Total number of elements. Value is equals to 12. For the first one, total number of elements is 6. So without counting, how to find out total number of elements is very simple example to find the total number of elements in the given matrix, that is number of rows product of number of rows and number of columns. Number of rows and number of columns products. See, in the first example of the matrix, number of rows are 2, number of columns are 3. Product of 2 into 3. So suppose 2 into 3 value is 6. Second example, for the matrix B, total number of rows are 3, total number of columns are 4. The product of 3 and 4, the answer is 12. Very easy, with no need counting all the values. For example, a matrix of order M a matrix of order M by N. M by N means total number of rows are M and total number of columns are M. Then number of elements in the matrix A. Number of elements in matrix A. Matrix A is the product of M into N, that is Mn. Very important. Number of elements, that is called as Mn. This is a total number of elements in the given matrix. But for our examination, this is very, very important for 1 mark. How they ask the questions for us? For asking the question, In examination, how they ask the questions for us means they ask the questions indirectly, not asking directly how many number of elements in the given matrix. They will give some example. They are asking the question: a matrix has 24 elements. A matrix has 24 elements, for example. How many number of possible orders it can have? Question mark. A matrix has, there are no question indirect way. A matrix has 24 elements. A matrix has 24 elements. How many number of possible orders it can have? Generally, they will give one matrix. In that matrix, number of rows and number of columns are available. We can write down number of possible elements, means we can say very easily. But they are asking the question here indirectly. A matrix has 24 elements. 24 elements matrix availability. How many number of possible orders we can able to frame it for the given matrix? This is the question. For this problem, very easy. Here total number of elements. Total number of elements. That is 24. In this 24, total how many possible orders it can have? They are asking the question. Possible orders means, see, in this 24 elements, we can frame it as a entire one row to write down as a that is also possibility. So single column, one row possibility is there. So to understand about this one, what are the product of factors? Possibility of product of the factors, we already know that 24 product of factors we can frame it, that all are called it as that is possibility of possible orders. For example, product of factors of 24, how write down? 1 into 24. This is also one possibility. This means one row, 24 columns. Yes, possibility is there. Next, 2 into 12. That is 2 rows, 12 columns here. 1 into 24, 24. That is 2 into 12, that is 2. That is factors, 24 factors write down, but this has read it as a by 1 by 24, that is 1 row, 24 columns. 2 by 12, that is 2 rows, 12 columns. Then similarly, 24 possibilities, what are the product? 3 by 8. 8 result, 3 8 24 possibilities. Next, 6, 4 by 6. Then any possibility. Next, test as it reverse. That is 6 by 4. Then 8 by 3. Next, 12 by 24 by 1. These are the possible orders. How to identify these possibilities of order means we already knowing the product of 24, that is product of factors 24, then we can write down. This represented as first one row, 24 columns. This is one order. 2 rows, 12 columns. This is also one order. 3 rows, 8 columns. This is also one order. 4 rows, 6 columns. Yes, possibility. 6 rows, 4 columns. 8 rows, 3 columns. 12 rows, 2 columns. 24 rows, 1 column. These are the possible orders. To the availability of 24 elements are there for us. To how many possible orders you can have means these are the possible orders. First, suppose they are asking about that one more. A matrix has only 5 elements. Second example. A matrix has 5 elements. How many possible orders it can have. Very simple. 5 factors. What are the possibilities of factor 5? What are the possibilities of factor 5? Only 2 possibilities. 1 into 5, 5 into 1. There is no other factors. So these are the possible orders. Why? Because 5 is a prime number. Prime number having only 2 factors. That is 1 and itself and same number. That is 1 and itself. So 1 into 5, 5 into 1. Now we can read it as 1 by 5, 5 by 1. This 1 by 5 is 1 row, 5 columns. 5 by 1 means 5 rows, 1 column. This is a possible. Whenever they are having the prime number is given, the possibilities, the factor have 1 and itself. There is no. So 5 is a prime number. So 1 by 5, 5 by 1 is availability for it. This is a matrix have 24 elements. These are the possibilities. A matrix have 5 elements. These are the possibilities. Note down all this concept. This is very important for us for our examination to come it as a 1 mark. So many times they are asking this question for us. 24, 5. Similarly, we can frame it by yourself. Suppose they are asking a question for you, question number 3. You can write down. Finish it. What are the important points here? Then after that, you can calculate by yourself. For suppose a matrix has 36 elements. Second one, problem number 3, you can write down. A matrix has 36 elements. How many number of possible orders you can have? Then 36 factors you can write down by yourself. Then total number of elements are 36. Then possible orders. That is, we already remember about that factors of 36. 1 by 36, possibility is a 2 by 36, 18. Then 3, 12. Next 4, 9. Another possibility. Next 6 by 6. Next reverse 9 by 4. Then 12 by 3. Then 18 by 2. 36 by 1. These are all our possibilities for a matrix. The total number of elements are 36. For example, second, that is problem number 4, we have conception. A matrix has 13 elements. A matrix has 13 elements. How many possible orders it can have? 13 is a prime number. We are knowing very clear. 13 is a prime number. The possible orders have 1 by 13 and 13 by 1. That is 1 row, 13 columns, 13 rows, 1 column. These are the very important for us. Like this question they are asked for us in our examination. Okay. Next. Next. Coming to the topic, that is construction of the matrix. This is also very important for us. Sometimes they ask for us 1 mark question for our examination. Sometimes they ask. Okay. That is construction of the matrix. construction of the matrix. For construction of the matrix, how they'll ask the question for like that. Construction of the matrix. Construction of the matrix. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Very, very important. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Matrix is given by, here they will give the different problem. Suppose problem number 1, matrix A is equals to Aij, that is equals to I plus j. This is changing always. I plus j, I by j, I plus 2j. This value vary always. This is the problem. Very, very important. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix is given by, they are asking the question, matrix A is equals to Aij, that is equals to I plus j. Here, important information for you, for doing this problem, we are constructing a matrix of 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 by 2 means 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows, 2 columns means solution given matrix Aij, value is equals to I plus j. Here we are constructing of 2 cross 2 matrix. So for 2 by 2 matrix, matrix A is, how many number of rows are there? 2 rows. First row, second row. 2 rows, 2 columns. What is this value, place value of this matrix? First row, first column. This is first row, second column. First row, second column, A12. This is second row, first column, A21. This is second row, second column, A22. Important information for them. For 2 cross 2 matrix, we have 2 rows, 2 columns. We have, what are the, here we need to construct the 2 by 2 matrix. For designing the 2 by 2 matrix, here we need 2 rows, 2 columns. This is the place value of A11. This is the place value of A12. This is the place value of A21. This is the place value of A22. Already we discussed the representation of the matrix concept. Now, by using this Aij value is equals to I plus A, we need to calculate all these values. That is, first we have to find out A11 value. What is the value of A11? Already we know that Aij value equals to I plus A. I place 1 is there, j place 1 is there. So 1 plus 1 value is equals to 2. Similarly, we can calculate A12 value. See, why? Because we need the value of A12. So I place 1, j place 2. So 1 plus 2 value is equals to 3. Then we have to calculate the value of A21. So what is the value of A21? Value is equals to I place 2, j place 1. So 2 plus 1 value is equals to 3. Next we have to calculate the element of A22. What is the value of A22? That is 2 plus 2 value is equals to 4. All these values we are representing in the matrix. That is, therefore, the matrix A the matrix A is equals to, what are the matrix A here? A11, A12, A21, A22 value is equals to, what is the value of A11, 2, what is the value of A12, 3, 3, 4.
Question and answer repeat చేయాలి.
Listen, they are asking the question to you. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix is given by Aij value equals to I plus A. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix means 2 rows, 2 columns. First we have to design a 2 by 2 matrix. Here what is the order they are asking, from that one we have to design it. So that given in this problem Aij value is equals to I plus A. Here we are framing as 2 by 2 matrix. The meaning of 2 by 2 matrix means 2 rows, 2 columns. Already I informed. 2 by 2 matrix means 2 rows, 2 columns. See, 2 rows, 2 columns. I already explained for you in the representation of the matrix. This element represented as first row, first column, that is called as A11. This element represented as first row, second column, that is called as A12. This element represented as second row, first column, so A21. This element represented as second row, second column, so A22. So for constructing a 2 by 2 matrix, we are calculating A11 value, A12 value, A21 value, A22 value. In this condition, for we already have given problem, the question is Aij value is equals to I plus A. So I place we have write down as a 1, J place also we have write down as a 1 to find out the value of A11. That is A11 value is equals to I place 1 plus J place also 1. So 1 plus 1 value is equals to 2. Like that we have to calculate the remaining 3. That is A12. A12 means I place 1, J place 2. According to our problem, 1 plus 2, that is 1 plus 2 value is equals to 3. Similarly, A21 means second row, first column. So 2 plus 1, the value is equals to 3. A22, that is first row, that is elements. This is I value, this is J value. So I plus J formula, 2 plus 2 value is equals to 4. According to our problem, that is further 2 cross 2 matrix, matrix A is equals to, what are elements are there? A11, A12, A21, A22. A11 value already calculated, the value is 2, A12, 3, A21, 3, A22, 4. This is the representation of the matrix. Like that we have to solve one more example from problem for this construction of the matrix. Okay, no? Right. For example, same again one more problem I am writing here. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. Matrix of matrix A is equals to Aij. Value is equals to I plus 2j. I plus 2j they are asking. Aij value is equals to I plus 2j. Here, important information for us. In this problem, given, what is given? Aij value is equals to I plus 2j. Here, we are constructing 2 by 2 matrix. Very, very important. Here we are constructing 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix means the matrix have 2 rows and 2 columns. That is, for 2 by 2 matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, matrix A can be written as, how many rows we need? 2 rows. How many columns we need? 2 columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. Identify the place value. This is first row, first column. So A11. I already informed very clearly. This is represented as the element of both position. This is represented as element of column position. So first row, first column. This is first row, second column. A12. This is first row, second row, first column. A21. This is second row, second column. A22. So for construction of 2 by 2 matrix, we are calculating A11 value, A12 value, A21 value, A22 value. So we are calculating first value, A11 value. This A11 value, we are substitution of in this problem. I place 1, J place 1. So 1 plus 2 into 1, simplification value is 3. Next, A12. Why? Because we need A1. So 1 plus 2 into, what's the value of J value? 2. So what's the value? The simplification value should be known as 5. Next, the value is A21. A21. This is the value ith position. This is the jth position. So 2 plus 2 into 1. The value is 4. Sir? Question. A22. Value is 2 plus 2 into 2. Value is 6. See here what they are asking the question. Construction of 2 by 2 matrix of matrix A is equals to Aij, value is equals to I plus 2j. I plus 2j. Here we are writing the value is Aij value is equals to I plus 2j. For construction of 2 by 2, 2 by 2 means we have 2 rows, 2 columns. The value should be, this is A11, A12, A21, A22 value. So for calculation of A11, we are substitution of all the values in this problem. 1 plus 2 into 1, the value is 3. A12, 1 plus 2 into 2, value is 5. A21, 2 plus 2 into 1, value is 4. A22, 2 plus 2 into 2, simplification value is 6. All these values we are substitution in this given matrix. Then we have write down. Therefore, the matrix A. Therefore, the matrix A value is equals to A11, A12, A21, A22. Value is, what's the value of A11? A11 value is 3. What's the value of A12? A12 value is 5. What's the value? This is 4. This is 6. That is our answer. Any comments? Any comments?
Questions
Question
and answers.
Right. 47 marks. ఇంకా అంటే 3 minutes అవుతుంది. ఇంకా ఉంది ఇంకా చెప్పచ్చు.
3 minutes.
Over. Similarly, suppose they are asking construct A 3 by 4 matrix they are asking. They are asking, construct a 3 by 4 matrix. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix of matrix A, value is equals to Aij, value is equals to I divided by J. I upon J, I by J. Aij value is equals to I upon J. Here very important, in this problem, 3 by 4 matrix. What is the meaning of 3 by 4 matrix? Means 3 rows, 4 columns. 3 rows, 4 columns. In this condition, matrix A is equal to, how to write the matrix A? 3 rows. 3 rows. 3 rows. How many columns we have? 4 columns. 4 columns. Now we have to identify here 3 by 4 matrix means 3 rows. First row, second row, third row. 4 columns. First column, second column, third column, fourth column. Representation, place values. First row, first column A11. First row, second column A12. First row, third column A13. First row, fourth column A14. Similarly, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, second row, fourth column. Then third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column, third row, fourth column. All values we have to find out and substitute in this problem, in this matrix, then our answer is correct. Then we have to find out A11, A12, A13, A14. Similarly, all the values we have to calculate it for the construction of 3 by 4 matrix. For example, they are asking Aij value equals to I by J. They are asking, So how we are finding out the value of? First we have to calculate. They are asking about that Aij value is equals to I by J. First we have to find out A11 element. A11 means 1 by 1. What's the value of 1 by 1? Next, we have to calculate A12. A12 means 1 by 2. Then we have to calculate A13. A13 means 1 by 3. Similarly, we have to calculate A14. A14 means 1 by 4. Here, I place I value, J place J value. Just I am substituting. Then A15 we have needed or not? We don't want here. Just we have taken A21. That is 2 by 1 value is 2. Then A22. Then 2 by 2 value is 1. Then A23, that is 2 by 3. Then A24 value is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Then A31, that is 3 by 1, that is 3. A32, that is 3 by 2. A33, that is 3 by 2.